some basil so I can make some pesto and use it for some stewed tomatoes and sauce. We've been pulling off of it pretty good. The more you pull off of it, the more it branches out. So I'm just cutting mostly the stalky stems off the top now. This goes well. I'll probably plant more next year. I've still got a bunch of seed left. Got quite a bit in there. About halfway full. Not packed down, but it's about halfway full. Some of this stuff's going to seed already. We don't want it going to seed yet, so just snip the seed off. It's been hot and cold and hot and cold. It was been hot out and then it got cool. So I just snipped the seed pods off. I still got probably over 900 seeds left from the pack I ordered, so I'm not saving the seeds for this basil. This is Genovese basil. And that ought to be enough for today. I'm just making a little bit of pesto and some stewed tomatoes and some tomato sauce. Pasta sauce, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I got there. You can see it. I'll be glad when I fix my eyes, I'll tell you that much. We got about a half 5-gallon bucket. That's plenty for today. We'll eat some mozzarella caprese later on. Make some sauce, make some pesto. Make some stewed tomatoes with basil in it. Be good. Anyway, that's it for that. I'll do a video on the pesto later on. And probably this tomato sauce and the tomatoes too. I need to go ahead and do those before they go bad. Okay, we're going to make some pesto here. Add a lot of basil. Add garlic out of the garden. Fresh garlic. I'm not using all of this, but I'll use some of it. So, very simple. I've got 2 cups of basil here that packed, stemmed, packed, washed, ready to go. Half a cup of olive oil. So, I'm just going to pop my olive oil in a food processor. Actually not, it calls for 3 cloves of garlic, but I'm going to put, these are pretty small. They didn't really divide out because I planted them at the wrong time, but that's okay. I'm going to put in 4 of those. I like lots of garlic. Start putting their basil in here. Give that a whirl and see how it goes. And then I'll grind this down, add a little salt to it, and then put the cheese in there. I just picked this morning and washed it. Still got a lot more out there. I didn't get all of it. Let it grow some more. Get some more in a couple of weeks. Or next week probably, because this stuff's growing pretty quick now. Just getting enough water, getting enough fertilizer, getting enough sun. Put a little salt in there. Calls for a quarter teaspoon of salt. That's just sea salt. You can use kosher salt or well, really sea salt, kosher salt. I guess whatever kind of salt you wanted to use. I'm gonna go ahead and put what cheese I got in there. Might put in some more garlic. Find out here in a minute. Yeah, I don't even have half a cup of cheese here. Use what we got. Go from there. Put in a big thing of that garlic there. Let's taste that and see. It's good. Needs more cheese, but it's good. And that's it for the. That's basic pesto.